I'm Billy Rice. I'm the Sustainability Manager here at ALPLA North America. At ALPLA, we see sustainability as an opportunity. With locations in over 45 countries, ALPLA is committed to reducing our global environmental impact. From community outreach, like local cleanups, to sustainable projects, like reducing our carbon emissions and ensuring that our packages are 100% recyclable by 2025. With the help of ALPLA's sustainable practices, everyone can do their part. These practices fall under 4 pillars that include responsible manufacturing, engaging stakeholders, promoting a conscientious culture, and being an empowering employer.
What happens is that sustainability is often equal to recycling, which is not correct. It's actually a much wider and much more holistic concept. If we put it simply, it's about people, profit, and planet. And we want those 3 to come together in unity for a solution, for any type of solution, or business model, product, service, anything like that, to be a sustainable product. You cannot have a circular product in a linear world, and so we need to collaborate a lot, which is also one of the sustainable development goals that we work with, partnerships, because alone we cannot do it. We take steps every single day, but we do them according to which region of the world that we're working in, because the systemic challenges and the infrastructures are different, but that does not mean that we can't push ourselves to be better. We have to use our voice, our choices, much like in a democracy. We do have a choice, and it's about educating ourselves. Without education, we won't go forward.
At ALPLA, sustainability is more than something we talk about, it's something we do. One of the most exciting projects that we couldn't wait to kickstart was our integration of good recycling habits with basic storytelling. We partnered with an elementary design thinking class to show how they too can be responsible for their use of plastic. Here's some of my favorite details.
So Billy invited us a couple of months ago to take part in a book project. And we thought it would be a really interesting experience with our students to explore sustainability, but in a way that they would have some agency in creating an artifact, so the book, that would educate people about sustainable practices. So it began with us looking at our surrounding and that in objects that we interact with every day, looking at their lifetime, their longevity, how we interact with them, and then investigating specifically plastic bottles, and all of the misconceptions that there are around plastics. So we had our first grade students and our second grade students worked on this project. We could have discussed the sustainability, recycling practices, but the fact that we actually created something tangible, I think that it doesn't exist in isolation, right? People will be able to hold it, interact, look through it, and they have their stories to tell about the process as well.
At the end of the day, our goal is to use our conscientious culture to drive purposeful packaging, which means that anyone who's part of our organization can have a positive impact while producing great bottles.